let's start here in same time circles, nice and easy. Then go to split time, and then go back to same time. Keep it easy, build it up. Okay, now go back to split time. Now let's make it big for 4 and 3, 2, 1. Now come to small, and 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll go big again. 4, 3, 2, 1, and come small. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go big again. 4, 3, 2, 1, and come small. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now swivel and come out in underhand and go 4, 3, 2, 1, and go small. 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll go big. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go small. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go big. 4, 3, 2, 1, and now small. 4, 3, 2, 1, and big. 4, 3, 2, 1, and small. 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to sync it up on 1, and here we go, same time. And we're in same time circles here. Now we're going to wrap it up, make it short poi, bring it into the underhand buzzsaw, and then split the timing. And then from here, bring it up and tap it on your back, and come back into overhand circle in the buzzsaw in front of you. And then we're going to tap it on our butt, and then come out into the underhand buzzsaw, and tap it on your back, and back into the overhand buzzsaw, and then tap it on your butt, into the underhand buzzsaw, and tap it on your back to overhand, and then tap it on your butt to underhand. Okay, and now let's get crazy. We'll tap the back, then circle, then the butt, then circle, then back, then circle, then butt, then come into underhand. Whoa. Let's start from here again. You're in circles here. We're gonna wrap it up, get it short, then from short, bring it into the underhand buzzsaw. Now, we'll sync it up, and we'll do 4 taps total. So we sync it up and tap in the back, then circle, then the butt. That's 2 circles, then the back, then circle, and then 3, and then from here, you'll end up in underhand after you've done the 4th one. Nice. Okay, let's do it again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and back to circle, butt to circle, back to circle, butt to circle, and then split time, underhand buzzsaw. And 5, 6, 7, doing it again, and same time on the back, circle to the butt, circle to the back, circle to the butt, circle, and then underhand buzzsaw. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8, here we go. Back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, and then come into the buzzsaw after you hit the butt, right there. Woo! And then bring it out to the side, and then same time circle here. And now let's make it big in the giant. And now swivel back to overhand, and then we'll make it small, and then sync the timing. And then we're going to take the poi from same time, wrap it up, bring it into the overhand buzzsaw here. So you wrap as you come in. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, so from overhand here, we're going to sync it up, tap the butt, and come back out in an underhand buzzsaw. And then we're going to sync it up, tap the back, and come back into overhand buzzsaw. And then sync it up and tap the butt to underhand. And sync it up and tap the back to overhand. Okay, now we're going to do 2 in a row. So we'll sync it up, tap the butt, then circle, then back to overhand. And split the timing. One more time. So we're doing, this will help you. We're doing an even number of taps in order to get back to where we were. And that's true on both sides. So it's always an even number of taps. So if you do one too many, just do one more and you'll be back where you should be. Okay, let's try it again. So we're here in overhand. And we're gonna do 2 sets of taps, so we'll end up back in overhand. We'll sync it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then tap the butt, circle, tap the back, circle, and then split time buzzsaw. And we'll do it again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So tap the butt, circle, tap the back, circle, tap the butt, circle, tap the back, circle, and then back to overhand buzzsaw. And we'll do it again, 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, butt tap, circle, back tap, circle, butt tap, circle, back tap, circle, and back to buzzsaw. And then let's release the poi to the side, come out into circles on the side, and they're in split time now, and then make it big, and then back to small, sync it up, wrap it up into the buzzsaw. Beautiful, that was beautiful. And then from this buzzsaw, sync it up, we're gonna tap the butt, 5, 6, 7, 8, so butt tap, and then back to back tap, and then back to butt tap, and back to back tap, and we're back to the overhand buzzsaw. And then release to the side, go into the full length poi, and then we're gonna go long poi in the giant, 1, 2, 3, 4, make it small, sync it up, wrap it up, bring it into the buzzsaw, and then we'll sync it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then our 4 sets of taps, so tap, and then second set, and then butt again, back again, and then back to overhand buzzsaw, and then we're gonna release to the side again, release it in full length, and then go into the giant, 1, 2, 3, 4, make it small, and then same time, sync it up, wrap it up, bring it in, into the buzzsaw, split the timing, and then our 4 taps again, 5, 6, 7, 8, sync and tap, butt, and back, and butt, and back, and then back to your buzzsaw.